Alright, so my phone just died, and another DC is coming, another DC-10, and I just missed, and I literally, like, just missed, Singapore 74 freight, and there is Delta taxiing right there, and there's Western Global getting ready to push out. DHL is pushing out, and there's Korean over there. Alright, there it is! FedEx DC 1010. And I said 1010 because that's like that's the variant. That's the actual variant. That's what it's called. It's DC 10-10. And before like about 2 weeks ago, when I got the DC-10 taxi right there, I didn't know there was a DC 1010 variant. I didn't know there was a 10 variant of the DC-10. And that's really fun to say, DC-1010. DC-1010 is like extremely fun to say for me. Oh, it's a old livery of Spirit. That's pretty rare. It's pretty rare now because usually we just get yellow Spirit, not blue Spirit. The old livery. I wonder when we're gonna get a silver Spirit Airlines. And DH is lining up. We hardly ever get those. The older Spirits. We hardly ever get those liveries. Here's DH. Oh my God, like it looks so weird seeing them take off on 25 left since it's been like closed for like a month, and haven't seen a 25 left takeoffs in a while. Guessing that one's going like Frankfurt or something because that's where we usually get the DHL 777s from. Oh, yes, I knew it. Alaska New Livery is getting ready to take off. I forgot the name of the livery. I'm gonna check on the flight tracker to see what the livery is called.